Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you two fun activities you can do with your preschoolers at home or at school when talking about winter. Our first activity is a counting activity. For this activity I created small circles out of white paper and put numbers on these circles. I glued those to a sheet of paper and then cut out the snowflake arms for the children to count. The kids will look at the number in the circle and put that many snowflake arms around the circle. Our second activity is a dress-up doll for winter. This can have a lot of different variations. You can print out a person out of a coloring sheet. You can draw your own, whatever works best for you. And then you can get winter clothes from either a coloring sheet or cut out of paper yourself for them to dress the paper doll up in clothes. If you enjoyed watching those two activities, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in our next video.